Today, I want to show you a cooler that really caught my attention. This is the KEDSUM Rolling Cooler, and after spending some time with it, I can already tell its design with confidence in my mind. In this video, I will show you everything about it, from the setup to its main features, and explain why I think it's a great option for outdoor activities. But first, let's go back to the unboxing, so you can see how easy it's to put together. As soon as I opened the box, I noticed that everything well packed. The setup was actually much easier than I expected. The wheels were simple to install. The handle also snaps into place in just a few seconds. Within just a few minutes, the cooler was completely assembled and ready to use. Now, let's take a closer look at it. The first thing I noticed is the overall design. It looks modern, radical, and very well built. Even though it's a soft-sided cooler, it feels sturdy. The materials feel thick and durable. The stitching also looks very well made. One of my favorite things is the storage capacity. I can hold up to 60 cans, which is a lot of space. There's plenty of room for drinks, snacks, fruits, sandwiches, and ice. I also like the wide opening because it makes loading and unloading everything much easier. One feature I really like is the easy access top lid. Very good. Instead of opening the entire cooler every time, you can simply use the top opening, like that. Easy. That's really convenient when you just want to grab a drink. Another thing I appreciated is the extra storage. There's a front pocket that's perfect for small accessories. The side pockets are also very useful. You can easily keep napkins, utensils, sunscreen, or other small items organized. The large wells are definitely one of the highlights. They make moving the cooler much easier. The telescoping handle also feels comfortable and easy to use. Even when the cooler is full, pulling it feels smooth. The thick insulation helps keep everything cold for hours. That's exactly what you want from a cooler like this. Another feature that really impressed me is that it folds down when you're done using it. That makes storing it much easier. It takes up much less space than a traditional hard cooler. I think that's one of the smartest features of this design. I think this cooler is a great option for beach trips, camping, picnics, parks, road trips, or even sporting events. It's also great if you simply want a cooler that's easy to move and easy to store. Overall, I've been really impressed with this cooler. It combines a large storage capacity with practical and fruitful design. I really like the sturdy wheels. I like the easy access lid. I like the extra storage pockets. And I especially like that it folds down for easy storage. If you're looking for a cooler that's spacious, easy to transport, and packed with useful features, I definitely think this one is worth checking out. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I see you in the next video.